Hey guys, welcome back on my channel on Hold the Cash, Keep the Gold. I'm gonna be shortly and very on the subject. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and push the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'm gonna tell you something about the e-krona, digital currency of the National Bank of Sweden. And they want to eliminate the cash slowly but better, and they want to introduce the e-krona digital currency for all the national society. And I think the principle, the main fragment of the subject is this one. I want you to have a little bit patience and read with me this one. According to the Riksbank survey from 2018, only 13% paid for their most recent purchase in cash. The corresponding figure for 2010 was 39% for the purchases in cash. As more consumers turn to electronic payments, it will ultimately no longer be profitable for the retailers to accept cash. If the trend continues, listen here, Sweden Bank and the state may find itself in a few years' time in a position where cash is no longer generally in all the state, in all the country, accepted by the households, by your house, by your family, and by retailers. Well, I believe this is a real threat to your financial security. Believe me, I love cash, and I believe cash is less controllable by the private banks, and by the state, and by the national bank. Even if they issued the money supply, I believe you should think about it and talk to the state of your country to keep the cash in their banks. I think you should love the cash. Okay, I think you should use more cash than electronic payments. This is what the private banks and what the national bank, what the state wants from you, to use more electronic payments than cash. Well, it's a real danger for the society. So the first bank in the world that will want to give up to the cash is the Sweden Bank, Riksbank they call it. And you should pay attention to your life. Might be a danger for your children, for your family, for your nieces, for your nephews, for your grandchildren. Is gonna be real dangerous. And if you're not gonna take action and continue to love cash, I love cash. I really love cash, and you should love to cash. I pay my maintenance, everything in the house with cash. Okay, when I go to the shop, I'm paying with cash. That's what I do. That's what I love. Once they implement such a digital electronic in their state, and once they have, implement that chip with the RFID in your hand, in the right hand or your front, between the eyes, is gonna be a big danger. I'm not a kind of a religious person, but I believe once they have given up to the cash for electronic digital currency, and they will implement the chip in your hand or on your head front, I believe it's going to be a real big danger for your conscience, for your children, for your grandchildren's children, for the next generation of children. And they will be born with these systems. They will be easy to accept because they don't know the danger, what is behind all this. Okay? I hope you like this one. Please love the cash, hold the cash, and keep the gold. Think about this. Share with your friends and tell them this. My video content is not kind of a quality, but the information that I'm giving to you is very quality ones. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you, and share with your friends all this. Push the like button, please, for me, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.